Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. The first one will allow you to block the number which you've got currently saved on your contacts, and the second way is more manual. And let's start with your contact list. So let's open it. Find the photo, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so simply tap on block. And for some reason we are unable to block the number. I have no idea why. Let me try it again. I am unable to block numbers, but no worries, let me explain. You will see the characteristic icon right next to the number, and your device will also show you the information that the number has been blocked. You will be able to unblock it the same way. Right here you will have the unblock number option, yeah, basically this is how it works. And let me show you also the second way of blocking the number. As I said, more manual option, and it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. In the general section we have to find blocked numbers, and basically right here we've got our blacklist. Usually the number from the contacts will appear right here, but for some reason the previous option did not work. In my case, at least, I'm pretty sure that it will work on your device. So here all we have to do is to tap on add a phone number, and here in this section we can freely enter the number. You can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Here we've got also the option unknown. We can turn it on or off just by using the switcher, and basically it means that your device is allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.